Hey guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know I haven't been very present on YouTube as much. I have my reasons. I've had a very challenging year, especially with time management and making videos, so that's been quite difficult. But yeah, this year I've traveled a lot, which is pretty good. Where did I go? Went to Australia twice, went to Fiji twice, Singapore, Malaysia, Bali. Pretty good year of traveling, I guess. But also some knuckling down and working on myself and studying. Lots of self-reflection, which was great. Still working on that self-reflection thing. I started a new job, so that's the reason why I've been away, I guess. Lots of studying, lots of learning, relearning and unlearning to do, which is pretty cool, I guess. You can't always stay stuck in the same place, and you gotta challenge yourself. You've got to learn new things, I guess. That was the best part of the year. Some sad part too, I guess. Grandpa passed away. That's the reason why I went to Fiji the second time. But I know he's looking down at us. And next topic. Looking forward to 2020. I hope you are too. I hope you're actually writing your goals down as we speak, because I think writing down goals is really important. I know I'll be writing down goals. Some things that I want to start, some new things. I'll be revamping my channel, which will be cool. Already started on that process, so working hard on my channel, I guess, and working a lot more on it next year, which will be pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a awesome holiday. Stay safe, stay happy, and enjoy 2020. Happy New Year, and let's make 2020 the year. What's up, folks? Yes, I look like absolute trash, but I'm at my hotel. So happy. The trek was pretty awesome. I don't think I talked about the trek, but pretty awesome trek. I can't believe I actually did that. I highly recommend you guys to come to Nepal and we're gonna do a trek, man. Like, it's a surreal moment. Just gonna get some daylight in here. To be somewhere where hardly anyone goes, and to be surrounded with mountains, and I mean like snow mountains, you just realize your ability to do things, you know? Forget that. My hardest day was waking up at 3 a.m. going up 1 hour of stairs to Poon Hill, which was freaking amazing. Like sunrise, like it's captured in here forever. And then got back to Gorapani, had some breakfast. Freaking 7-hour walk to Pool, which is 1.5 hours away from Pokhara. So pretty crazy walk. Last day had me dead because it's all downhill, down a billion stairs. Honestly, my guide and my porter were the nicest things ever. I did get asked, why are you traveling alone, because it's not safe. One of the local people even told me, but I feel like I was in a pretty safe situation with a guide and a porter. I did not do it myself. There are some people that do it themselves, and I think that's a bit not safe, you know. That's just putting yourself out there, you know. I mean, I did have a guide, a porter, and I did update my family everywhere I was. I texted them, I told people on Facebook where I am. Obviously had a guide with me, so he kind of did all the checking in and the checkpoints that you're supposed to do. So if you get missing, they're able to find you in between this area and this area where you last checked in. So I mean, there is a lot of safety things. I remember my guide actually telling me that there was two girls who were trekking by themselves, and they just fell off a cliff into the river and they were found dead. So I mean, you don't want news like that to be given to your family, so just play it safe. So in New Zealand we don't really tip as much, like we do in cafes sometimes, but you know, you don't have to, people get paid. So here, that's the hardest thing for me, is because I forget to tip. It's not that I don't want to tip, it's I forget to tip, and then I also don't know how much to tip. So that's my biggest challenge here. So tomorrow my parents are coming at 12 a.m. 12 p.m. So yeah, if you're ever in Nepal, I recommend going to Pokhara as well. And Pokhara is amazing. It's like touristy but Nepal, but also clean. You'll love it. I hope I'm not getting sick. JL. Good morning. It is another sunny day here in Kathmandu. I finally put some lipstick on. I still haven't put makeup on my face just because it's too hot and it just kind of melts off. So yeah, I'm gonna go have breakfast. I'm super excited my parents are coming today. I can't wait for them to arrive. My parents just joined me in Nepal. Welcome to Nepal.
Welcome to Nepal with Janita.
Hi, welcome to Nepal.